give you, but I'm so scared of your family. I have a desire for you, but I'm afraid to say so. All of these can't be possible. Is there no other way for us? On the other hand, darkness overcoming, here all alone. I feel empathetic listening to you, but now I can't do anything. Listen, whipping away the tears, because your eyes are not a waterfall. Trying to change the route, but I don't have a key, since your family is not happy.